Go folks, Benno here, how you going? Just got a delivery in the mail and just unbox this thing and see what we got. But, we have compound slide vice thingy. Not cheapo, piece of junk really, but it'll do what I need it to do in the short term. Two handles, and they just slip on there and there. See that? Get rid of that box. Yeah, so these little handles are just got a grub screw on them. Just line it up, quickly screw it in. Oh, get in there. And the same on that one, on the bottom one. Alright, so there's a lot of play in it. Lots of stuff on it all loose. Probably wants an adjustment, but what we'll get essentially is that I might replace these handles, I think, with a round knob. That'll be a much better solution. But it works in that direction, and it definitely needs adjustment. It works in. Okay, that's all the way. That's as far as that goes. So I'll go over this thing and see if we can't adjust it up. We've got a little there. Alright, so we can adjust it. We've got minimal movement, and that's not too bad. One's going to need the same. Yeah, so look, it'll probably work. It'll probably work quite well. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. If you feel inclined, give us a like. If you don't, well, that's fine too. All right, catch you later.